Yeah, guys, so thanks for watching. Unfortunately, I had to cut short because I'm running low on voltage again. Yeah, surprise, surprise. Yeah, this JR thing just eats through all my AA's. It's crazy. All right, everybody, so that's it for today's video. And I'm not even sure how this happened. I guess the body got caught in the gear when I flipped it over, and it just chewed right through it. Which I guess that's pretty cool, but yeah, this body is like pretty much absolutely destroyed. A lot of scratches from today. This truck does not like the pavement, but we took it out here anyway. Yeah, launching on this thing is great. Yeah, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. We'll be getting the buggy all fired up so you can see that buggy, see how well it runs. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please do, helps the channel. I'll see you later.
Yo, hey YRC, man. Well, power to you for editing that video, man. Editing is not easy, man. You know, editing requires brain activity. Okay? No brain activity, you got no edits.